Okay, so with this we are done with the substitution method. இப்போ அடுத்த method என்ன? It is going to be elimination method. So that is also a very easy method. Elimination கத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா substitution வந்து நீங்க போடவே மாட்டீங்க. Okay, so இப்போ elimination. Okay, the ratio of income of two person is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. First equation என்னன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So we have ratio of income. Okay, so இப்போ ratio of income is going to be 9:7 and expenditure na enna, it is going to be their expenses. So expenditure is going to be 4:3. Okay, so ipo first person oda income, let us take it as 9 into x. Ena 9 irukilla, so first person oda income is going to be 9x and the income of the second person is going to be 7x. So this is how you take it. So first person oda income is going to be 9x and the second person oda income is going to be 7x and the expenditure of person 1 oda expenditure is going to be 4y and the expenditure of person 2 is going to be 3y. இப்போ இதுல இருந்து என்ன தெரியுது? If you are earning some 10,000 rupees and you are spending some 5,000 rupees, நம்மளோட savings என்ன? What are they asking? If they manage to save. So what is the savings you have for person 1? So for person 1, his income is 9x and how much is he spending? He is spending 4y and the first person is saving 2,000 rupees. So this is first equation. Second person enna pandraru? Person 2 is earning 7x and he is spending 3y and he manages to save 2,000 rupees. Punjada? The first person oda income is going to be 9x and the second person oda income is going to be 7x. First person is earning 9x, 10,000 rupees earn பண்றாரு and he is spending 5,000 rupees னு வெச்சுக்கோ. Okay, இப்போ or he is spending 8,000 rupees. இப்போ 10,000 minus 8,000 என்ன? It is going to be 2,000 is his savings. Okay, that is what is given in the question. If each of them manages to save 2,000 per month, find their monthly income. So நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? You have to find the value of x and y and in the end you have to find 9x and 7x. ஏன்னா income என்ன? Of each person is going to be 9x and 7x. Okay, of person 1 and person 2 respectively. Now you have two equations. Okay, so now we are going to solve using elimination method. Now substitution na enna pannuvom? You will write one equation in terms of the other. Now 9x equals 2000 plus 4y divided by, if x is equal to divided by 9 எழுதுவோமா? So this is going to be substitution method. But elimination method is going to be, you are going to eliminate one variable. So how to eliminate one variable? So if one equation is 9x minus 4y and the other equation is going to be 7x minus 3y. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I'm going to multiply the first equation, the whole equation by 3 and I'm going to multiply the second equation by 4. Okay, you will see why I'm doing this. Okay, I have 9 3s are 27x, then 4 3s are 12. So minus 12y equals 3 2s are 6. 6,000. This is equation 1. இப்போ equation 2 என்ன ஆகும்? 4 ஆல multiply பண்ணா we have 7 4s are 28x minus 3 into 4 is going to be minus 12y equals 4 2s are 8. So 8,000. I'm going to subtract these two equations. எதனால subtract பண்றேன்? When I subtract the whole equation, this becomes 27x minus 28x. இது என்ன ஆகும்? Minus 12y minus of minus 12y. So this whole thing becomes a plus, correct? Minus of minus 12y னு வந்துருமா? And here also I'm going to subtract. So basically the process is going to be eliminating one variable, deleting one variable. So here I have minus 12y and plus 12y which gets cancelled. புரிஞ்சுதா? இது cancel ஆச்சுனா what is remaining? I only have one variable. So I have 27x minus 28x which is going to be minus x plus 0 equals 6,000 minus 8,000 is going to be minus 2,000. So we have from here x equals 2,000. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ other variable எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? Substitute in one of the equations. So you have 9 into, இல்ல second equation எடுத்துக்கலாம். You have 7 into 2,000 minus 3y equals 2,000. So from here we have 7 2s are 14. So 14,000 minus 2,000 equals 3y. 14 minus 2 is going to be 12. So we have 12,000 equals 3y. So y equals 4,000. Easy வந்துருச்சா? We found out the value of x and y very easily. Elimination method na என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? We are going to try and neglect one variable. So இந்த இடத்துல நான் ஏன் 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணேன்? I saw that I have a minus 4 here and I have a minus 3 here. So இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஈக்குவலா பண்றதுக்கு I have to multiply by 3 and multiply by 4. புரிஞ்சுதா? So this is going to be the equation. X and y கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So income of person 1 equals 9x which is going to be 9 into 2,000 which is going to be rupees 18,000 and income of person 2 is going to be 7x, which is going to be 7 into 2000, which is going to be rupees 14,000. Okay, simple. X and y values இப்படி தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். புரிஞ்சுதா? Elimination method is going to be different from substitution method and it's going to be very very easy. Okay, now example 9. Use elimination method to find all possible solutions. So இந்த இடத்துல actually no solution. Elimination method வச்சு போட்டா என்ன வருதுன்னு பாப்போம். No solution னா என்னது? It is going to be a false statement with no variable. வருதான்னு பாப்போமா? So we have 2x plus 3y equals 8 is one variable and we have 4x plus 6y equals 7 is another variable. So I see that I have a 2 here and a 4 here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 2. ஏனா eliminationல என்ன பண்ணோம்? ஒரே நம்பரா மாத்தி I have to subtract. Correct? So when I do that, I have the first equation becomes 4x plus 6y equals 8 2s are 16. And the second equation is going to be as it is. 4x plus 6y equals 7. Now when I subtract 4 minus 4, 6 minus 6, 16 minus 7. இப்போ என்னாச்சு? 4x is getting cancelled and 6y and 6y are also getting cancelled. So I have 0 equals 16 minus 7 is going to be 9. We have 0 equals 9, which is going to be a false statement with no variable, which means we have no solution. Okay, no solution na we are talking about parallel lines, no intersection. Okay, parallel lines. Punjada, please copy. Now example 10. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing its digit. Okay, இது கொஞ்சம் trickyயான question. Okay, so இத first நம்ம எப்படி equation எழுத போறோம்னு பாப்போம். Sum of a 2-digit number. Okay, இப்போ for example number 10 இல்ல number 12 எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ number 12 இருக்கு அப்படினா this is going to be the ones place and this is going to be the tens place. இத வேரியபிளா நம்ம எப்படி எழுத போறோம்? I can write this as, இப்போ இந்த ones placeல இருக்கிற நம்பர் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I can write this as 10 plus 2. So basically நான் இங்க என்ன பண்ணேன்? I did 1 into 10 plus 2. இந்த மாதிரி எழுதுனா இப்போ let's take another example. If you have 23, I can write this as 20 plus 3. So what are we basically doing? 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So this is what we are doing. So in the இடத்துல 10 and this 1 are common for all the cases. But the values that are here is going to change. And that is going to be your x and y value. Okay. So இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி எடுக்க போறோம்? Ones place is how you're going to write. So ones place number, let it be y. And tens place number, let it be x. Okay. So இப்போ நம்மளோட number என்ன? Tens placeல x ன்னு இருக்கு, ones placeல y ன்னு இருக்கு. So இந்த நம்பர் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I can write this as 10x plus y. இப்படி எழுதலாமா? So this is going to be the number. So what is your number? Number is going to be 10x plus y. Okay? இப்போ questionல என்ன சொல்றான்? The sum of the 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits. இப்போ ஒரு number xy na, when you reverse the digits, what happens? This becomes yx. அப்போ yx ஓட equation என்ன? It is going to be 10y plus x. இந்த மாதிரி மாறிடுமா? So the reversed number. இப்போ you have for example 23 na, 32 னு மாறிச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? This is going to be 20 plus 3 and this becomes 30 plus 2. Okay, x and y are just interchanging. So your equation just interchanges. Okay, so reversed number is going to be 10y plus x. இப்போ திரும்ப question படிங்க. The sum of the 2-digit number. What is your 2-digit number? 10x plus y and the number obtained by reversing its digit. இதுவும் add பண்ணா I'm going to get 66. Okay, so we have 10x plus y, the number, plus the number reverse பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா. So you have 10y plus x. When I add these two, I'm going to get 66. புரிஞ்சுதா? Number plus the reverse number. இப்போ for example 23 plus 32 அந்த மாதிரி. So you have 55. இந்த இடத்துல 66 வந்திருக்கு. Okay? If the digits இன்னொரு equation வேணும்ல, இப்போ ஒரு equation எழுதியாச்சு. What is this going to be? 11x plus 11y equals 66. I can divide the whole equation by 11. பண்ணலாமா? So I have 11, 11, 11. When I divide, I have x plus y equals 11. இது ஒரு equation. You need another equation. If the digits of the number differ by 2. So the digits of the number na enna? You have x and y are the digits. So you have x minus y equals 2. The digits of the number differ by 2. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல digits of the number எப்படி differ ஆகுது? 1ல differ ஆகுதா? 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. So the number is differing by 1 இந்த இடத்துல 2 find the number how many such numbers are there okay இப்போ ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்கு you can find இப்போ எலிமினேஷன் பண்ண போறோம் I see that the coefficients are same so we have x plus y equals 11 x minus y equals 2 இப்போ eliminateனா என்ன அர்த்தம் I can either subtract or add இந்த இடத்துல add பண்ணாலே y யும் cancel ஆயிடுமா I have y minus y already so I have to add now okay so this is a plus இந்த மைனஸ் அப்படியே இருக்கும் and this is going to become a plus okay இப்போ நான் ரெட் கலர்ல எழுதி இருக்கிறது தான் is your new operation subtract பண்ணிருக்கு அதனால subtract பண்ணிருக்குன்னு பண்ணிடாதீங்க so இந்த இடத்துல இப்ப add பண்ண போறோம்னா that is going to be your new operation okay இப்போ x plus x is going to be 2x இந்த இடத்துல x minus x ன்னு பண்ணி cancel பண்ணிடாதீங்க we are adding in this case so the operation here is going to be adding okay 2x equals இந்த பக்கம் என்ன இருக்கு 11 plus 2 which is going to be 13 here it is 66 divided by 11 is going to be 6 okay so we have 6 here please change so இப்போ 6 plus 2 is going to be 8 okay என்ன value வரலையேன்னு பார்த்தேன் okay x equals 8 divided by 2 which is going to be 4 இப்போ x value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு y value என்ன from this I have y equals 6 minus x which is going to be 6 minus 4 which is 2 இப்போ x and y value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு what is your number is basically xy which is going to be 42 and the reversed number என்ன it is going to be yx which is going to be 24 இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணா 66 வருதா the difference between the digits is going to be 4 minus 2 which is going to be 2 so you have the number is 24 and 42 புரிஞ்சுதா இப்போ number can be 24 இருந்ததுன்னா reversed digit என்ன 42 or your number can be 42 இப்போ reversed digit என்ன 24 so what are the numbers னு கேக்குறாங்க the numbers are 24 and 42 okay ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு நம்ம ஒரே ஈக்குவேஷன்லயே ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷனையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் ஒரு நம்பர் 24 இன்னொரு நம்பர் 42 okay simple so with this we are done with the example questions let's move on to exercise இதை இன்னொரு வாட்டி சால்வ் பண்ணி பாருங்க இதை சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டாலே exercise ஈஸியா இருக்கும் okay